Create a new layer and fill the background with black or any color. Select the text tool and type in a text you want to use. I'm typing gold text with the color white. Change the text color to orang. Click on the text layer to make it active. Right-click and choose Blending option, or go to the FX button and select Blending option to bring the layer style box. Click on the bevel and emboss to show it properties. Style, inner bevel. Technique, smooth. Depth, 1000. Direction, up. Size, 27. Soften, 3. Angle, 90 degree. Use global light checked. Altitude, 30. Gloss contour, ring. Highlight, screen. Opacity, 100. Shadow mode, multiply. Opacity, 45. Click the OK button when you are done. You can also adjust or play around with the other blending option to make it look more nicer. Select the text layer to make it active. Hold Ctrl+J to make a duplicate of it and drag it down. Select the top text layer to make it active. Go to Edit and select Free Transform tool or hold Ctrl+T to open the Free Transform tool. Right-click and select Flip Vertical and reposition it. Create a mask layer, and select the Gradient tool from the toolbar. Click and drag from the button to the top to make a shadow. I'm David from Creative Mind Academy. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.